Welcome back, electric vehicle enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey through the ever-evolving world of electric vehicles, delving into the innovative landscape shaped by groundbreaking players. One such disruptor taking the stage is Aptera, a company redefining the norms of electric mobility. Our focus for today's exploration: efficiency, a key element that not only propels the industry forward but sets Aptera apart in this dynamic arena. So buckle up as we uncover the secrets behind Aptera's efficiency and how it challenges the conventional narrative of electric vehicles. The rise of electric vehicles. The story of electric vehicles is one marked by continuous evolution. In response to climate change concerns and the growing demand for sustainable transportation, EVs have become a pivotal force in the automotive industry. Traditionally, these vehicles have adhered to a familiar design path. But Aptera, with its avant-garde approach, is rewriting the script, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Introducing Aptera. Enter Aptera, a company that's not just entering the electric vehicle scene, but making an unforgettable entrance. Aptera's standout feature? Efficiency. Their vehicles are not only turning heads for their sleek, aerodynamic appearance, but are engineered to be the epitome of efficiency in the electric vehicle market. Picture this: a design so sleek and futuristic, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. But how does this design contribute to Aptera's efficiency dominance? Let's explore the importance of efficiency. Efficiency, a term tossed around in the electric vehicle world. But what does it truly mean? It's more than just a buzzword. It's a game changer. In the simplest of terms, efficiency revolves around extracting the maximum mileage from every ounce of energy stored in the battery. The higher the efficiency, the longer the range, and the less energy required for the same distance traveled. Aptera has zeroed in on this aspect, making it a cornerstone of their design philosophy. Aptera's three-wheel design. Now let's talk about Aptera's trump card, the three-wheel design. Unconventional? Absolutely. But this design choice is no mere aesthetic whim. It's a deliberate strategy to enhance efficiency. By reducing the number of wheels, Aptera minimizes friction and weight, leading to improved overall efficiency. The question lingers: how does this distinctive design stack up against the conventional four-wheel electric vehicles? Let's dissect the differences. Traditional EVs, the four-wheel standard. Speaking of conventional electric vehicles, the industry standard has long been the four-wheel design. While these vehicles have undeniably proven their mettle in the market, Aptera is challenging the status quo with a radical approach. In this segment, we'll dissect the differences between the traditional four-wheel EVs and Aptera's futuristic three-wheel marvel: range anxiety and charging infrastructure. One common concern among electric vehicle owners is range anxiety. How far can you go on a single charge? Aptera boldly claims an impressive range, thanks to its efficiency. But how does this stack up against the traditional EVs? And what about the supporting charging infrastructure? In this segment, we'll delve into the numbers and see how Aptera positions itself against its competitors. Environmental impact. Beyond the convenience of extended range, electric vehicles are celebrated for their positive environmental impact. Aptera's high efficiency not only extends the range, but also significantly reduces the overall carbon footprint. Conclusion: in the electrifying realm of electric vehicles, efficiency emerges as an undeniable game changer. Aptera's three-wheel design and unwavering focus on aerodynamics set it apart from the conventional four-wheel electric vehicles. As we navigate the path towards a greener future, it's innovations like Aptera's that might just reshape the entire electric vehicle industry. What are your thoughts on this efficiency-focused approach? Join the conversation in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and stay charged for our upcoming adventures. Until next time, drive electric, drive efficient.